Hey guys, it's Chase from Basecamp, and I want to explain to you today why we work so much on core strength when training for the mountain. So the reason why we work on core strength so much is because our core goes a long way to keeping us upright and straight under the load of the backpack. So if the backpack's too heavy for us and we're not strong through the core and the upper body, then we're going to be hunching over under the weight of the backpack. When that happens, we're leaning forward and we're limiting our oxygen usability. We're limiting how much we can breathe because there's less room for the lungs to expand. That's not something you want to do at altitude. So the reason why we train upper body and core strength is to improve posture and strengthen that area so that we can stay upright and keep breathing and get as much oxygen in the body as possible. If you're going to be training for trekking, you can't just do lower body. What we do at Basecamp is provide a very holistic program, training the whole body and doing exactly what you need for a trek or a trip to the mountains and nothing you don't. If you like this video, just hit like and subscribe and check out our programs at basecamptraining.com.au. See you soon.